friend of his had got an award. It was a very big one. He went along as they were like Leonardo and Kate. The program was in the night and at the VJT hall. There were a lot of luminaries coming, and so she wanted him to be there. It was fun to be back in the VJT again, where he had gone long ago as a child and played TT, and run up the rickety, wooden stairs to the bell tower at the top. Red brick painting with white lines on the walls as most of the buildings in TVM had been then, giving it a distinctive edge. She looked resplendent in a chiffon, and there were the usual speeches in which they got some things wrong, like the name of one of her books etc. But it was all grist for the mill. Usual. You were given an award by the governor, who had never heard of you before that day and would give the book you gave him as a complimentary copy to an aide who would keep it in the shelf in his home library or office. End of story. Usually, unless what you had written was so extraordinary that it compelled people to read it. Age of democratization, and at the same time every book, almost, was worth reading once. However, the photographs would fetch you 1,000 likes on Facebook, she in her resplendent sari in the Gov, not to mention the Sec. of Culture and Arts, RAS, and the writers, grey, old, bald, grizzled, spectacled, and the publisher and journalists. Oh, he was incorrigible in her test, and she brushed it off after laughing first with an impatient wave of her hand, as both she and he knew that all these were things that only mattered temporarily, he being the confirmed rebel not interested in them, and she being the sensible one knowing that it was all part of life and needed to. The taxi felt empty as he went home in it after dropping her. He tried remembering occasions when he had been given awards, lesser ones, and could hardly remember them. He wondered what had really mattered to him in his career. There had been moments when a writer he respected or honored had come to him and said, "You are really something as a writer," Nobel Prize nominees and such like. Perhaps those moments had mattered, yes, definitely.